Okay.
Okay, you ready, man?
Yep. Just, opening the stuff, the Crossroads purchases, and
Oh, okay, cool. Okay. For number 2, I think it's the number of animals in the local zoo and a randomly selected brand of toothpaste or at the convenience store. Just the top 2. Hmm? Oh,
Calculators on the floor.
Okay.
all right, number 3. The mean IQ test score in the United States, 20 randomly. The parameter is 100, isn't it? Because that's the mean.
I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
And 112 is the statistic.
Yeah. Okay.
Would 4 be a stratified sample? Oh, homework tab.
Yeah, I think so. Oh no, it's stratified. I answered pretty late.
Then 6 is
I think it's a cluster.
Cluster sample.
Hey, you there?
Yeah.
That was weird. Okay, let's keep going.
Where are you at right now?
I was on 3.
Okay.
Do you guys do 4 already?
Yep.
What is it?
A stratified sample. And then 5, we were thinking, or a cluster sample.
Okay.
Ugh. 6.
Simple random sample.
Yep. I wish it was like this through the whole test.
Looks like it's
Stratified random sample.
Stratified?
For 7, right?
no cluster, right?
Cluster.
One second. I'm looking at the homework.
Yeah, because a cluster sample involves using a simple random sample of no stratified results. Okay, yeah, it would be stratified because results when a population is split into at least two non-overlapping subpopulations.
Yes, it'd be a stratified, right?
Yeah.
Okay, number 8.
Oh, I did this one earlier.
Mean amount. So did you guys put this in the whatever already?
Yeah. For that.
Yeah, so did I. So I got 4.77. Is that what you got?
No, we got. Oh wait, I was looking at the wrong one.
Is that what you got?
Yeah.
4.771. I was like, I think we're using the same data. I don't know.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's
I
it.
remembered a different one.
Okay, standard deviation. I got 1.992 or 1.912, I guess. Yeah, 1.9.
1.912. Yeah, I got.
If we round it.
Yeah. Number 10.
I created true. Yes,
True.
I did. It's funny. I was wondering how they were gonna ask if we did it or not, or like gauge it.
Okay. Oh, hey, we use the PDF or not the Excel sheet for this one.
That's the one I was remembering.
Yeah.
Did you guys figure this one out earlier?
Yeah, I
did
used
not.
the Excel sheet for it. 1 second. I gotta split the screen. Okay, so let me put the numbers in. 37.91. Okay, so what is the position? Oh, okay.
So we just do the mean minus the value.
Yeah, so the mean would be 38.075. Subtracting the standard deviation, right? No.
No, it's the
No.
Oh, it's the mean, right?
No, it's
Median.
that value. It's that temperature.
Oh, okay, yeah. My bad.
So it would be
I got
37.91 minus the mean that you guys got. So what did you get?
38.075.
8.07. Okay. And did you get B?
Huh? It should be
So number
a
11
negative, right?
should be negative 0.165.
Negative 0.0165.
Negative 0.165.
Okay. Yeah, so you just basically took 37.25 minus the mean and then squared that number, right?
Wait, for number 11 or number 12?
12.
Oh, we haven't gotten that one yet.
Okay. So the number you gave me was for what?
For 11.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Number 12. What is the value of the number that goes to?
Okay, and then for number 12, I got 0.681.
just gonna go ahead and check those real quick.
Okay.
So I was able to get the stuff put in. Yeah, that looks right.
Okay.
What quantity? So on to 13, what quantity is equal? I actually have no idea.
I don't think
I think
it's any of them.
Yeah.
I think it's the last one.
Wait, isn't the deviation squared? No. Isn't that the standard? No.
No.
It's variance squared is standard deviation or something like that. So
Yeah, no. Okay. What standard deviation means?
standard deviation of these temperatures, I'm guessing the ones above that we were already given.
Yeah.
I got 0.715.
Yeah.
Standard deviation can never be negative, I believe, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not possible. It wouldn't make any sense.
Mm-hmm.
So which location results in the most consistent temperature measurement from? So we're looking at standard of deviation, so it would be extradural.
Yes. Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
What is the third quartile? So the third quartile would be 8, looks like.
Yeah.
What percentage of data? Or isn't it like 50%?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah.
46.
Because let me just look at this.
I think you would just pretend. Would you put down percentile or would you put?
No. It says right here in the example.
Oh.
You gotta read the question.
So we're going with 50%, right?
Yeah, it looks like it's 50%. Yeah.
So I had this on the last one of these and I got it wrong and I feel like I didn't choose 50%. Anyways, okay.
Oh, this is the one I was thinking about.
Okay. Do you guys know how to do this one?
Yeah, all I did was to find the mean was add those two numbers. Since
And divide them?
yeah, since it's the only two numbers that I see.
Yeah. I'm sure you already have the answer. Let me do it real quick and see if it's the same divided by 2. So I got 2.055.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Here. 1 second. I can pull this one out. Working magic. Okay. So. The standard. Wait, it's not thrown in. Oh, it's not thrown.
So these are the only two data points that were given? That's weird.
Yeah.
I actually don't know if I know how to do this one.
Okay, what question is it? Third 20.
Well, I just put those two in and I got a standard deviation of 0.658.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
got
that's
that
what
too.
we got too.
Or from the graph. But
Yeah.
I feel like I might be missing something there though, because it says U minus 2 times standard deviation, so it's 2 outside of the standard deviation. Is there any way that we could find that using algebra? Probably not, huh?
no.
I have no
Okay.
idea. um.
We've never had a question like this before, ever.
Nope.
So it doesn't really make any sense to throw it in now, but oh well.
I guess we'll just do the 0.658.
So this is going to be within what, 2 standard deviations, right? So yeah,
That's all I can see out of it. Yeah.
with 159 and 252. Yep. Okay, did I open the applet? Yes. I completely forgot how to find the z-score. I can't believe that.
It's the value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation.
So because they're asking about the mean, wouldn't it just be 542.3 divided by the standard deviation? And that would be the z-score, and you put that into the...
I think so.
So I had put this on. So this is, no. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So I had put it. Yeah. Okay. So I put it on the quantitative descriptions statistics, like Excel sheet, and it comes out. It looks like it's the last one, 1.823 and 2.288.
For question 22?
Oh, are you on 22? Oh, okay. Thought we were on 21. My bad.
Oh, you're still on 21. Oh, sorry.
No,
I thought we were on 159 and 252.
I think it's 1.8.
You think so?
Yeah, the graph shows it to be 1.8 and 2.2.
Okay.
But sorry, I didn't realize that we moved on.
Oh, you're
I
good.
just really noticed that. I was like, oh, hey. So, 22. What?
Figure out how to do.
Okay.
Oh, what is this for this one?
Because you're not asking for the probability.
We'll score above. You know, this one doesn't actually say how they want us to put it in, like as a percentage or as a decimal either, which is weird.
I have no idea, man.
You're on, dude.
Wouldn't it be 50%? Because I mean, if the mean is in the middle, then you have 50% is going to be higher, 50% is going to be lower, right?
How do you know it's in the middle?
Because that's the median, or that's the
Oh,
mean. It's asking how many people will score higher than the mean,
Okay.
right? Because the GMAT are normally distributed with a mean of 542.3,
okay.
right? Because if you put it in for the z-score, it's 4, which is
Yeah, I got that too. So,
everything. But
okay.
then if you just look at like a normal bell curve and you put the mean in there, then
So then
it would be 50%.
would you do as decimal? So it'd be like 0.5?
I'm guessing so. That's the only thing that I can think of.
Ooh.
And then for this one, it looks like it's 31.6%, so 0.316. Because I got the z-score of 0.479, and then it's asking how many people will score below that.
Okay.
316. And then the next one, 0.684.
And that one's for question 24.
Which question are you guys on?
Well, you were so is 20 was 20 is 3.316 then?
Which one? 23 is, yeah, 0.316.
Oh, 23, yeah, okay. 3, 1, 6, okay. And then 24 was 0.684.
0.684, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so for this one, just following the instructions back from lesson 5, it looks like you just put in 0.10 into the applet because that's the z-score that corresponds with it, and I got 2.326.
Say again, 2.326.
Yep. Okay, now we have to do the long drawn out version. So z score is 6. Okay. Okay, I got it. You guys still there?
Yep.
Okay, so I got 822.676.
122.6.
Yeah, 822.676. I don't know if you guys did it or not, but I just did the mean or the z-score times the standard deviation plus the mean. That gave me 822, and then I reversed it. So I did 822.676 minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. That gave me the same z-score as the 10th percentile, 2.326.
No, I didn't know how to do it, so we didn't do it.
Okay. Before,
I know, I just couldn't remember how to do it, and I couldn't find where.
it's lesson 5.
Oh, it's lesson 5? Okay, I thought it was lesson 6, and I kept looking, and I couldn't find it. Okay.
You are good. All right, friend. So first quartile. Do you know how to find the different quartiles?
No, I'm trying to go back to lesson 3 um, to see if they say anything. So that's where we learned about it.
In lesson 3.
Yeah.
Oh. So wouldn't it just be yeah, so I think it would be 623.54.
Okay.
Is it 623.564?
544.
Oh.
Tell me if you follow. So I went back to lesson 3, and it says that the first quartile is the 25th percentile.
Yeah.
So I put I put 0.25. Hold on. Nope, it screwed me. 1.1. There we go. Okay, so sorry, it gave me the wrong z-score at first. So I put 0.25 in there, and I got the z-score of 1.15, and then I just did what I basically did before, and I got a different number. It's 680.921.
Okay.
Does that kind of make sense, though?
Yeah, it does. I'm gonna try to do it for the next one. Let's see if I can do it.
Okay, I just don't know if I'm making stuff up, but in my head it makes sense.
No, it does make sense, at least more than what
Like,
I.
never really done anything like this before. I mean, we've
Yeah.
done something similar, but this is definitely harder.
Yeah. So in the third quartile, 75%.
Third.
Okay.
Okay, let me know what you got. Actually, something that might be helpful is setting this up. So I basically just built the equation with um, all this other stuff that he gave us.
Okay.
So in case they ask for it on the exam, you have the equation already set up for you.
Okay.
you're still figuring out 28, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so what was the formula again? I think I missed a spot.
So what I did was the z-score times the standard of deviation plus the,
Okay, I did it backwards. Okay.
and then you could just put it back in and do the reverse, basically,
Okay.
to get the z-score.
Is that what you got for it then?
No, but it doesn't make sense.
That's it.
No. Good, I'm gonna guess. Okay, I think I got an answer, but it's probably wrong.
Okay.
I got 723.067.
Not what I got.
Okay.
Take that number and then reverse it and turn it into a z-score. You might be right. I don't know. Well, no. So I got 580.75226, and then I reversed it, turned it back into a z-score, put it back into the app, and got 0.75 again.
Oh, so I overcomplicated it. Okay. Perfect.
So walk me through 28, because maybe I'm missing something. What are you doing?
So I try to do it, and then it gives me the same answer even when I reverse it, of the 542.3. And then I just deleted my whole.
So, okay, so let's go through it together. So you go up and you put 0.75
Yeah,
in the top.
of the applet.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay, the real question, I guess, is okay, point. I really don't know. Okay, hold on. Let me go back and look at this again. right. Maybe you were totally right. Okay, what z-score are you using?
0.319.
Okay, here's a thought.
Okay.
I went back and looked at lesson 5. It says to find the z-score corresponding with the 90th percentile, which let's even just make sure. Yeah, so we're looking for the GMAT score for the 75th percentile, right?
Yeah.
Click the regions on the graph so that the area to the left of the bars is shaded. And nothing to the right. So I messed that up. I did it right at first, then changed it. So it should be z-score is 6.74 or 0.674, sorry. 674. Boom. Okay. So I got 623.54. Is that what you've been getting?
No, I'm getting 723. So you got 0.6 what?
I put in 0.674 for the z-score.
Yeah.
Mean is 542.3, and standard deviation is 120.54. And then I just multiplied the z-score times the mean, because that would bring that from underneath, which is times the z-score times the standard of deviation. So that would bring the standard of deviation up from underneath the denominator. And then I add the mean.
Okay. And you got 623.54?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta write that down.
Oh, it says to the nearest whole number. Oh, I guess that'd be 4. And question 27, it says round to the nearest whole number, so it'd be 681.
Okay.
And yeah, all the way up, actually.
Okay.
Didn't see that before.
So they have to be whole numbers.
Oh,
Round up. Okay.
What do you have for 25?
2. I don't think that's right. So
What do you have for 25?
I have 2 points.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. Okay.
How did we get that?
I'm not sure. I don't remember.
Okay, well, let's figure that one out.
Okay, I think I got an answer. I got 697. I don't know if that's right.
For what?
For number 25. I don't know if he just left it, but I try to do it. Okay.
Yeah, I think you're right. Let me just check.
Okay.
This is awful. Leave the fan.
Okay, so for 25, I got 823, 26, I got 697, 27, I got 681, 28, I got 624, 29, I got 542.3,
Okay, I got
30,
that.
I got, okay.
Did I do it wrong?
I am so over this quiz. Even if I flunk it, I really couldn't care less.
I know. Did you get 30 yet?
Yeah, I have 30. I have 31.123.
Okay. That's what I
Is
got.
that what you got?
Yeah, I was just making sure.
And then 31, do you have that one yet?
Yeah, it's 0.03.
Yeah, 0.03. Yep.
Okay.
3 decimal places, so it'd be 0.032.
Oh, okay.
All right, you guys ready?
Yep.
All right. Wow, that was a pain in the freaking butt.
So there's a 3.
Oh.
All right. I wonder if the test is going to be like this.
I hope not.
Test is probably going to be very, very similar.
It wasn't.
We got a 79.
I got 73. That's not fair.
Okay.
Oh no. That's so weird.
Yeah, I got a 76.
We all have like different.
Yeah.
I got a 79. I don't know. I must have added numbers wrong or something. Okay.
All right. Good meeting, guys.
Yeah.
Good luck on your test.
All right. Thanks. You too. Bye.
Bye.